Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve business innovation systems step by step clearly. Identify the current state of your business innovation system. Gather data on existing processes, tools, and team dynamics. Analyze feedback from employees and stakeholders regarding innovation. Set clear innovation goals aligned with your overall business strategy. Encourage a culture of creativity by fostering open communication. Establish cross-functional teams to enhance collaboration. Provide training and resources to empower employees in innovative thinking. Implement brainstorming sessions to generate diverse ideas. Adopt agile methodologies to enable rapid experimentation. Evaluate potential ideas through a structured filtering process. Prioritize ideas based on feasibility, impact, and alignment with goals. Develop a prototype or pilot project for selected ideas. Test the prototype with a small audience to gather feedback. Iterate on the prototype based on user insights and performance metrics. Document lessons learned throughout the innovation process. Scale successful innovations across the organization. Monitor and measure the impact of new systems over time. Encourage ongoing feedback to refine the innovation system. Celebrate achieved milestones to motivate continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.